Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix lag in Foundation Galactic Frontier in just a few simple steps. So, first off, what you can do is go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store. Then you want to look for the Galactic Frontier game. And from here, you want to make sure that your game is up to date. So if it shows update there, make sure that you update your game. Then what you need to do is just simply relaunch the game, and this should fix the lag issue. But if it's still not working, you can add more step to this. So you can go to your settings, then you want to locate apps. From here, you want to search for Galactic Frontier. So type it in here. There we go. Then you can do several things from here. First is you can force stop the game. You can force stop the game and then relaunch it, and that should fix the issue. But if the issue is still there, what you can do is scroll down, click storage, and you want to clear both cache and data. Then extra step here is you can also try to uninstall a game and reinstall the game. And basically that should fix the issue. That's it. Now you know how to fix lag issues in Foundation Galactic Frontier in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.